That bird's stuck in my line, damn. I don't know what it is. That's the second bird that's hit my line. Hey, calm down, calm down, calm down. I will get you out of there. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Nope, stay. Be calm. Damn, he got himself tangled good. Nope, stop. Relax. There you go. Go ahead, fly off. Well, at least he could still fly. I mean, I don't know what the hell it is. I mean, that's the second time, guys, and I still have that fish over there.